Welcome guys, I am Parinita. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive regular notifications regarding the computer science topics and technical job updates. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see one very interesting opportunity. This opportunity is basically for all the people who love writing, basically who love creative writing. Because as you can see in the screen, today we are going to talk about 2020 International Essay Contest for young people. And this is actually a very good opportunity that is provided by GOI Peace Foundation. So you must have heard the name. What is GOI Peace Foundation? Let me tell you. This is basically a foundation in Japan that is public benefit organization. And this organization is supported by all the members from all over the world who are basically, it is supported by the members who are working together to create a culture of peace. So this organization is a very good organization who keeps on creating such opportunities for the people who are interested, who are talented enough. So this is actually a very good very good opportunity. Let me tell you. Now in this video we are going to see what this opportunity is all about. Actually what makes it more interesting or more exciting is, if you win this contest, what you are going to get is, you may win a very good amount of cash prize, and apart from that you may get a chance to visit Japan. A free trip to Japan also you can get. Fine. So in this video we are going to see that how you can apply and what are the basic terms and conditions for this competition. Fine. So first of all, in order to see the whole detail, you need to go to their official website. For that, as in the screen, you can type GOI Peace Foundation. Just write on the Google GOI Peace Foundation and you will get the first link as shown here for International Essay Contest for young people for the GOI Peace Foundation. You can click on this account, you can click on this first link, and as soon as you will click on this first link, you will be redirected to this official website of GOI Peace Foundation. As you can see, this is the International Essay Contest for Young People page. Here, as you can see in this banner, the title of the essay is a letter from myself in 2030. It is a very interesting title, right? Very interesting subject given. Here are some of the rules that they have given. See, first of all, as I told, the subject is the most important one. That's why I told in the beginning that it is for the creative writers. So the title is a letter from myself in 2030. So let's quickly see what are they wishing from the participants. That this is the title given. You have to write a letter from yourself in 2030 to your present, that is 2020 self, in which you describe the state of the world, the way people are living, and what you yourself are doing in the society, right? You have to describe it in such a way. It means you are going to write a letter to yourself. You have to be creative enough to put up your thoughts. What are the criteria given? That the essays may be submitted. Okay, this is the first thing, that important thing that you should remember, that the last date or the deadline of submission is June 15. You have to submit your essay by 15th of June 2020. Fine. And the another criteria is the participant should be up to the age of 25 years old, because they have given here two age categories. The first category is for the children up to the age of 14, and the second category is for youth, that is from age 15 to 25. So if you are of the age 25 or less, you can participate. And even if you are not, you can always encourage your juniors or the people who are eligible to do that, because this is a very interesting opportunity. The second thing that they have given is the essays that you will submit, it must be of 700 words. Fine. They have told that it must be of 700 words or less, means maximum of 700 words. And which are the eligible languages? You can write the essay in English, French, Spanish or German. This is in these four languages you can write up to 700 words or 1600 characters or less in Japanese. Fine. Now the essay you may submit, that you are submitting, that may be typed or printed. Fine. both are allowed. And again, for the submission of essay, either you can submit it online or you can also submit it offline. You can post them. They have given, see here, they have given you the address where you can send it offline, where you can send your essay to this address. But I would recommend that posting it online in their website, it is much easier. Fine. So but however, you are having the choice, you can send it offline also, or you can submit the essay here online. So yes, these are some of the criterias. What else? By the end of 15th June you have to submit your essay. Now teachers and youth, yes, this is all right. Yes, these are again main points, that essays must be original and unpublished. Means it is not possible that you are just copy pasting something from Google and you are writing it down. No, it will not be allowed, because they are going to check the plagiarism, because they have clearly mentioned that plagiarized entries will be rejected. So you won't be allowed to copy anything directly from anyone else material or from Google or from something else. You have to write your own content, and your essays must be written by any one person only, co-author, or if you are saying that two people are writing it together, three people are writing it together, it is not allowed. Only one essay per person is allowed. Only one person can write an essay. Fine, that essay must be written by only one person, and plagiarism will also be checked. Keep this in mind. So no copy pasted material will be allowed. Apart from that, yes, they have clearly mentioned that copyright of the essays entered will be assigned to the organizer. Means they will keep the copyright rights. Fine, they will be having their own rights. Apart from that, yes, they have given the address if you want to send it offline. Apart from that, yes, here the exciting part comes, that for first, second and third prize, they have, see, you can read it out here, they have given a very good cash prize that is mentioned here. So first and second winners will get cash prize plus certificate plus gift. The third prize winner will get certificate and gift, and top 25 members or top 25 competitors will get honorable mention, certificate and gift. These things they have mentioned. And apart from that, as I told, the biggest opportunity is the first prize winner will be invited to the award ceremony to be held in Tokyo, that is Japan, in November 2020, and he or she will receive the Minister of Education award. Additionally, they will get additional awards also if applicable, and all prize winners will be announced on October, they have told that. And they have also mentioned that whoever the first prize will be, he or she will be awarded in Tokyo, Japan, and all the travel expenses will be covered by the organizer. Means you will you can say that you can get a free trip to Japan. So these are the main things that is mentioned here. Well, these are some of the FAQs. If you are stuck somewhere, if you have some questions, they have organized it in a very well manner. You can check them out. These are the FAQs. Various questions are there. You can check if you have any doubt. Apart from that, they have also provided the link for registration, that in case you want to submit your essay online, these are the steps they have told. And what they are telling, that you have to create an account first, as shown here. See, these are the details that these are only some of the details. You have to fill these details. You have to create an account in their official website, and after creating the account, you will get the opportunity to submit your essay online with the help of their own website. Fine. So, and that's all I wanted to show you. It is a very good opportunity. You should check it out. You can check out all the details in their official website and start writing, start thinking creative, and I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.